Thank you very much.
Yeah, and we have $5,000 here again for you. And this is from Erica from Canada. This is 5,000 here more for you. From Erica from Canada.
Erica.
Yes, I count it first. So it's 5,000. Yeah, so that's Erica from Canada.
Erica from Canada. Thank you very much. You remember feel like more crap because I never get money like this yet. You see it?
And Scanner, you're full of lyrics, same way people. Same way.
You say same full of lyrics.
Where you look for Scanner? Where you key? In Ninja. Great Scanner here now. The whole world wants to Scanner. So Scanner here now. Fit and ready. Yeah. Full of lyrics here, remember?
Scanner. Yeah. Fit and ready. Listen, Scanner can't stay one place now, you know.
Scanner not stay one place. God bless Scanner and Scanner walk again. Because the mineral and the nutrition. Yeah. And this is Scanner the right time because we carry some spirulina for Scanner and some Irish mash. The algae, the seaweed. Okay. And we have to eat spirulina now and show them so it's spirulina. Yeah. See that? Right, spirulina. It's a life thing. Spirulina. This is the omega-3, iron, calcium. I don't eat meat, I don't eat no fish. Macro and micronutrients. Come.
Yeah, join the act.
Yeah, man. This can make your green juice, and this make your porridge, your tea, your soup, your cook your man banana and put down and drink the pan.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
It's natural in the scenes here, man.
Yeah, man, a real thing, man. Yeah. Real natural. Yeah, man.
Natural as it be.
Yes. Yeah.
And as it is.
Look at it. So you see.
Patrick.
Yeah, man.
That's the name, right?
Yeah, man. Patrick.
Yeah, cause I was looking for you the other day, but I never get to saw you.
Yeah.
I never have the number.
BB my number.
BB the game, the art, liquor feet, but liquor never they have it. BB they have it down. So everything is alright though, right?
Yeah, not quite. Not
quite.
No.
What go on now? Explain to me.
More time it's struggling. A week time with my food. I can't eat anything like one time.
Okay.
It's vegetable now.
Okay, so you have a strict diet now?
Yes.
Okay.
Like I can't eat white flour again.
Yeah.
I feed whole wheat flour and most of brown rice. Now they give me some still for put on the white rice.
Yeah. The herbs put on the rice.
Yeah, the rice. And like kalalo.
Yeah.
Pop chow.
Yeah. All the vegetable then.
Yeah, me get mackerel still.
Okay.
But 10 mackerel, sardine, and them things that I can eat, but not meat today.
Yeah.
Can't
tomorrow.
Me have to eat it on a basic, you know what I mean?
Okay. On a liver.
Then a liver, yes.
Okay.
But otherwise on that. The strokes for me up. What I couldn't walk in a Kino. I couldn't walk. I left them there, left me and put me in a taxi.
Yeah.
And came to the hospital and I spent 2 weeks. One time I couldn't hold the toothbrush and brush my teeth. I call in, that's all. me give. Like all them the shirt and me can't wash them. But he said, hey, me, and all my jeans pants and I forget to call it.
Okay, you could have washed them.
Me can't wash them. I share me get to and wash them. I'm also I'm a PR.
Yeah.
If me not have the money for PR, same time sure wait for me.
Yeah.
I should know the consequences.
Yeah, I understand.
But otherwise than that, I just sometimes every now and then I find my phone.
Because then again, no, the financial like a problem as well to find. Because
and I can't work like one time, but I can't live up, nothing to every again.
So you have anybody who normally help you, like a family member, a friend, or anybody?
No. More like a $1,000.
Yeah.
Bana gas a while ago, more go look at $1,000.
Yeah.
And I was saying that baby, about baby. Maybe about $100 from my bus fare. Forgot deal with something. See? I'm gonna come back.
Yeah.
I come back and pay her. You see? And she give me a job. And she look at the bus here.
Yeah.
But otherwise than that, I better give God thanks.
True. I
Better give God
understand.
thanks.
So you have it really hard still.
Yeah, man.
You have it really hard.
They're really easy.
Yeah.
They're really easy.
Yeah. Because when you borrow the money, you still have to find out to pay it back, right? And how you pay it back, see me?
Like, we tell our brother, I like our friend.
Yeah.
Some of them have money, and then we give them $1,000. I never Muslim, but I live on 4th Street. And today now, so I go, and call me and ask me, come on, after my test, so I can't want to go on a road and stuff. I want to catch it.
Yeah.
Now, I'll the chicken or one time to do that with the chicken.
Okay.
Like on Sunday.
On a Sunday.
Yeah, to bury the chicken, no? And the can't eat to eat fried chicken.
Okay, because through the aisle grease.
Yes, to the grease.
Yeah.
Well, one buckle of oil, salt, and sugar. So I'm very long.
Yeah. You have to barely use it, right?
Yeah, I can't use that one. But I'm not to give God thanks after this. Come on.
Yeah, true.
And I'm a thank Kino, whenever your program, what do you when they give me the rice? When they give me the rice, I tell Kino, say, it served me long.
Yeah.
Because it's swell.
It's well.
The pack of rice.
Yeah.
The pack of rice. They give me. Served me very
long.
Long, man. So.
And you use the urbanite, right?
Right. I use the urbanite. You see?
Yeah.
I'm a thank whoever send them thing they come Kino, that's a class, that's get distributed. I thank them for it. And God bless them. I give them strength. And let them successful in their work with them. Grant them paradise.
True.
Yeah. And now give me number, yeah?
Alright, so I have a donation for you as well too. Yeah, because the last time you asked, you don't want to forget the doctor.
Yes.
The last time I was doing a video and someone saw it.
Yes.
You know, them contact me and send something for you as well towards that. Right? Yeah. So we have $7,000. And this is from someone on the outside looking in from the US. Yeah, they wanna know as someone from the outside looking in from a place of love. So this is for you, $7,000.
Thank you very much.
So count it, let them see it. So it's 7,000. Yes, and that's coming from someone from the outside looking in from a place of love. Yeah, and that's $7,000 for you.
Whoever, thank whoever sent this money from them. Thank you very much. And Monday morning, to choose a morning, I go to the hospital. I go to the test. I buy the prostrate pill.
Yeah.
and make very use of it. And I thank you very much. And God bless you.
Yeah.
And for send this money come to me. God bless you.
Yeah. Yeah, man. God bless you so much. You know, someone from the outside looking in.
From the outside looking in.
Yeah, from a place of love.
From a place of love.
Yeah.
God bless you. God bless you so much.
Yeah, they're a blessing to this program, you know. We thank them
you
so
very
much.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, and we have $5,000 a year again for you. And this is from Erica from Canada. This is 5,000 a year more for you. From Erica from Canada.
Erica.
Yes, I count it first. So it's 5,000. Yeah, so that's Erica from Canada.
Erica from Canada. Thank you very much. I remember feel like more I cry because I never get money like this yet. You see, and thank you very much, Erica.
Here, they have
I may ask God to help you. That's a successful in your work where you do, and your business where you do. And grant your paradise and make life easy for your children and your family and relatives. God bless you. And thank you so much for this money, Erica. Thank you so much, Erica, from Canada. Thank you very much. Thank you, Erica. Thank you.
So God bless.
God bless you, Erica. God bless you so much. God bless you. And thank you for this money. I'm not going to buy the prostrate pill. I'm going to do the 2 tests then when I have for them. And pay for get my clothes. Wash. And think all them shirts I can wash them, but like all jeans pants then not give them off to call it for wash. So thank you very much, Erica. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
So
you can buy the things that you can eat as well.
Yes. And tomorrow, Saturday, I go market. I go buy the callaloo, top chow, and okra, and them things there I need to buy. You see, oats, God them said the oats. The oats is very good for me. I forgot buy oats too. Oats. And I'm not drink the tin milk more drink it, but I'm not drink it all the while. Most the last cup. Most the last cup. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Erica, God bless you.
Yeah. And someone from the outside looking in.
And thank you very much from the outside.
Looking in
from love. Thank you very much for this money as well.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. God bless you. I ask God to make you successful in your work and your business. God bless you. And thanks for Kino and the program.
Dream team.
Bless Dream Team. Bless them Dream Team.
Every time. Alright then, Patrick. Bless yourself,
Yes, Kino. Respect. Kino.
Yeah, man.
Respect.
Scanner full of lyrics, same way people. Same way.
I say, see me full of lyrics.
Where you look for Scanner? Where you key? In Ninja. Great Scanner you know.
The whole world wants to see.
The whole world wants to Scanner. So Scanner you know. Fit and ready.
Yeah.
Full of lyrics, same way.
Scanner.
Yeah.
Fit and ready. Listen, Scanner can't stay one place now, you know.
Scanner not stay one place. God bless Scanner and Scanner walk again. Because the mineral and the nutrition.
Yeah.
And Mr. Scanner the right time because we carry some spirulina for Scanner and some Irish mash. The algae, the ceviche there. Scanner, Sam. Scanner is not the first somebody we make move. Hundreds of people make move. But we don't know about Scanner. Silent River run deep. And give thanks and praise to a man like Kino.
Yeah.
Kino make everything possible for Scanner. Kino.
You know, I want a live giver.
I had a live giver too. I know just me a live giver. The life in him, you know, but the switch it turn off. I'm just turn it on.
Yeah.
You can't in your bed for 12 years later, you can't move.
Yeah.
And we just turn on the switch because God are the healer. So I say confession is what? Good for the soul. Right.
Keep it real.
Just can't hear when nobody thinks him could remove. I second
me lie down and me hear people I say, nah, I'm going to make it enough for weeks and weeks, you know. But me, Kino and Snagger keep the life going and keep it blowing up and down.
Alright.
Yeah.
Every time.
From Scanner start walk back the second time I meet Scanner. The time I come we look for Scanner, Scanner gone.
Any more time I go for look for him and can't see him neither.
I will walk and run. But buck him a while and we just pick him up and say, come Scanner.
Come.
Come, we have to check Kino.
Yeah.
I'm come check the general Kino. Kino is the man that keep things real. Because the great work what Kino do, everyone do a part. That's why we said they were dream team.
Yeah.
Life giver, dream team, because either you live your dream or you live your fear.
Either.
Either you live your dream or you live your fear. Enough people dead with them dream. Because them don't live it, because they make fear take them over.
Yeah.
Scanner, I never have no fear. And Scanner is here.
It's here. Natural. So have no fear.
So when we say dream team, the dream team just, and big up all the donor.
Every time.
Every time. Donor make.
And all the time. This
is donor make Scanner work.
Yeah.
Remember?
Yeah. Without
When
donor,
you give, without the donor, Scanner do what? No, because Scanner no money and Scanner nothing. And a donor say, Kino, find Snagger and pay the money. And say, Scanner you know, healthy and strong. So remember, when you give to yourself, because what goes around, forward around. So
give thanks to Kino.
Scanner boy.
Yeah, life give a team and I tell them boy. You never come on me boy, I'm that pass off me kid.
No, you not.
People tell me, you know, say watch out. You're not gonna make it. Now you them attack, when time I'm not so firm in my med.
Yeah.
I mean I hear them attack, hear them attack around me surrounding. So I took on to somebody listening still, you know.
Just hold your deep meditation.
And I make nobody know, so I don't live, you know. Yeah, I don't make them know.
And one thing we whisper in a Scanner is and say, well, confession is good for the soul. Go back to Jah, the inner man, the inner power, the inner strength, the inner being, divine order.
Greater nature, that's
the greater nature.
That is God.
And Scanner
is Jesus.
Alright.
Companies.
Alright, remember you know, Scanner they are alive now.
See the living testimony.
The testimony. A Scanner testimony.
Yes, that one gone to the world already, you know. You know, I send it on to the people who
and now we have some in the making.
And we have some in the making. Now hold on, let me show them this early. Come. Come Scanner. Show them the life burner. I bring them Kino and the whole dream team. The lives burner, let me show them the Irish match.
Okay.
And we have a eat spirulina now and show them so it's spirulina. See that? Right, spirulina, it's a life thing, spirulina. This gear not, this gear omega-3, iron, calcium. Me not eat meat, me not eat no fish. Macro and micronutrients. Come.
Yeah, join the act.
Yeah, man. This can make your green juice, and this make your porridge, your tea, your soup, your cook your man banana and put in drink the pan, and baby juice. What I hear a Scanner say, can make baby juice. It make life born.
Boy, young girl.
Boy, young, tell him again.
Boy, young girl.
I love Scanner. Scanner full of lyrics, same.
Scanner want more. More food.
A spirulina that you hear them talk about the natural.
I like her taste.
I feel fit, you know.
Yeah, I can eat this right through, you know.
I feel fit a while ago, look at taste and taste.
See it there? Have it by the bunch, because we care for the world. A dream team on this.
A dream team on this?
Yeah, I took a share for the whole family. We took a share for the family.
The whole family.
And some come for Scanner too.
And them boy talk about
Spirulina.
Spirulina.
Come see him.
You have two types of spirulina. Natural spirulina. I eat the fish them eat, forget omega-3.
Okay.
And this girl, iodine. When you have big swelling out there, then call it gaita. This can eat like this with your tomato, your vegetable, same call it. These are the mineral. And this the fish them eat. Them call it algae. Algae, which is growing in water, freshwater algae. This come from Jamaica spring, natural spring water. This come out of the spring. Now man-made this. Them have the man-made spirulina where them a grow. And I colonize it back green. These are the natural spirulina. So we have the natural thing. Remember, the Scanner have them thing I make Scanner walk. Them thing I make Sam get strong. Spirulina. I'm going to show you the natural Irish mash now, the natural red mash.
It have natural taste, man.
Yeah, it have natural taste though.
Natural taste, yeah.
Yeah. Can't munch it like vegetable.
Yeah, I see it, man.
It not give no taste to put it off, no nothing. Yeah, it's nice.
Fresh.
So these are the bad boy, the
These are the bad boy, the sea mash.
sea mash.
Red
This
mash.
me that body I eat.
Yes,
But I wanna-
Scanner.
That one have more salt.
Yeah.
That one has more salt. Yeah.
See it here?
Yeah.
This we eat lime.
Yeah.
That one
When I
have more.
more salt, man. Salt.
That one have from sea.
This come from the sea and this come from the river.
Yeah, it's salt. That natural salt is.
Yeah.
And natural salt, man.
Natural salt is, yeah. Can taste the natural salt like
Yeah.
you use and cook with.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can use the water
The
for
color,
example.
pretty, look on the color. Red, purple, and green. These are the natural Irish mash. We ain't talk about real mash, not artificial mash. Because them have artificial mash yourself. The hybridized one. Hybridized mean artificial, not real. Natural, alkaline. Straight out of what? Mama Sea, the ocean. Because it's a water farm, a sea farm. When we get the algae them, salt water algae, fresh water algae. Yeah man, so these are the food. Yeah, these are the food of the dream team. This are dream team food cup because for a couple days. Yeah, 9 days nobody not see me, you know. 9 days. I come on a brain storm headache, which is it caused by radiation. And that kill the people there. So you have to know to take time out. Put your phone one side, put your thing one side and clean back yourself because enough people can't hear me and I say, wait. But remember, you have to take care of you, to take care of them. And see it now, dream team food come. So can I eat 3 Monday? Right. See me here, everybody sit there, everybody can eat.
Yes, you eat it, boy. Eat it, man. Just like that.
Everybody, a dream team food. Come on.
Yeah, eat it just like that, boy.
Look. I'm food this.
A food, man.
And this way we are eating now because this is
Eat something of mine, like, it's not a taste, but it come like a vegetable.
a vegetable, you know. But a real vegetable.
Tastes like lettuce, though.
It's like fresh carrot.
Exactly.
Watercress. Yeah man, see everybody. We come from Trenchtown,
Where we come from?
Trenchtown, Bob Marley place. And yesterday I go visit Bob Marley place down at St. Ann. 2 greatest man place, Bob Marley and Marcus Garvey.
Yeah.
And that's some heal up. I'm just forward back to Kino. Kino them can't find me. Can't see me.
Yeah. Boy,
For 9 years, I did a thing called intercellular cleansing. I clean back radiation, I clean back pollution, I clean back myself, I heal back myself. That me can do. Take care of the eye them. Enough people are cuss. I'm send them package. I'm send the video how them to take it. So if you watch the video, when you not hear me, the video will tell you how you take your package. See it here. The food, spirulina, algae. Water, salt water algae, fresh water algae, Irish mash, the coloured mash, the medicine mash, the healing mash.
Yeah.
Seeing so, yeah. So Sam, big up Sam.
Yeah.
But we have a big up Scanner now. And first we meet, second time we meet back Scanner from Scanner.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright then. We are going to then, right?
Yeah.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiro Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.